We're here at the South Carolina Manufacturing Conference. We've just concluded the Women in Manufacturing session, and it was moderated by our Lieutenant Governor, Pamela Evette. Welcome.
Thank you so much. It was a great session, wasn't it?
It really was a nice session and a lot of great information. As you've traveled the state, you've seen all kinds of manufacturing opportunities, and we've heard a steady drumbeat from our state leadership and our local leaders about the kind of opportunities available in manufacturing. And what is it that you're seeing, especially for women in manufacturing?
Well, I'm seeing that our opportunities are endless. You know, here in the upstate, you heard Lockheed Martin announce that 500 new jobs by mid next year. You go down to Charleston, W International, tripling their growth in manufacturing, doing defense contracting work. They're going to triple that by 2024. Go down a little further on the coast to Somerville, and you see the boat manufacturers could hire 250 people today in boat manufacturing, which is really focused on craftsmanship. So we have opportunities are endless here. We as a state, the governor and I, fighting very hard to get the word out that manufacturing is a viable career, a career to be proud of. And I think changing the narrative, I tried to talk about here today. You know, we're building fighter planes here in South Carolina with South Carolina fingerprints that are getting taken to our allies to defend freedom all over the world. We're building boats at the coast that are going to the Prince of Qatar with South Carolina fingerprints. I think we have to show how proud we should be of what we're manufacturing, how that's not just impacting our state or our nation, but impacting people around the globe. And I think that's what gets our younger generation really excited about what we're doing.
And for women in particular, what kind of fields do you think really should be appealing to them that maybe they're not aware of?
So engineering, I think for so long, you know, that whole math and science, we kind of had this societal idea that math and science was kind of a male-driven discipline. I think what we're seeing now is that it's not. And young girls, for women, you know, we kind of put our head down. We take a lot of roles in our family, right? We work, we're the mom, we're the wife, we're dealing with the home, we're dealing with the office. So I think sometimes we don't realize that little eyes are watching us, and maybe we need to make ourselves more visible so that when girls don't think that career paths for women evolve around STEM, math and science, engineering, when they see so many beautiful, successful women in those careers, I think it opens their eyes and says, wow, this is something I can do. You know, somebody has broken the path for me and paved the way, and I need to go down it. I think that would be a lot of fun.
And with those paths broken and those ways paved, what are the barriers now for women in manufacturing?
You know, I think we're our own barriers now. You know, just changing the mindset of why this is not a male-dominated profession, and we can do anything we want. I was fortunate to grow up in a home with 3 older brothers and a father that was a tool and die maker. And so his advice is work hard, do good, aim higher. Don't ever let anybody tell you you can't be whatever you want to be. You can be whatever you want to be as long as you're willing to work hard enough to be that. And I think that's the message we have to give. That we are in our own way, and that is it nowadays. And the governor and I will continue to use our microphone and our pulpit to talk to girls across our state and to say, we want you. We have a thriving economy for you. We have professions for you. Embrace us, work with us, and we'll get you there.
That's great advice from a father to a daughter, from a lieutenant governor to the rest of the state. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much for having me.